guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to make a quick and easy prawns and avocado bites. So guys, I'm just going straight into cooking. So I'll be adding some garlic powder, some crushed chili powder, some chopped parsley, some fish sauce, a bit of garlic oil. So you want to shake it up because you have the garlic at the bottom, so you want to have a good shake before you proceed with it, so you can get some of that garlic on your prawns. And then I'm going to go in with a bit of garlic and pepper, and a bit of black pepper. And that's it guys, that's all we'll be adding to our prawns for seasoning. Okay guys, so let's just put this aside and then I'll introduce the rest of the menu. So I'm gonna have 1 avocado, 1 cucumber, and 1 lemon. So this is all will be going inside of it with the prawns. So guys, I just put my skillet on my grill skillet on the up to heat up, and I'm gonna have it very hot because I won't be frying the prawns. I won't be adding no more oil apart from what you see me add into it. So guys, we're just gonna go straight in with our prawns. And these prawns are well seasoned. Now we're just going to turn our prawns over on the next side. So guys, as you can see, our prawns are ready. So we're just going to leave it there and then we go and make the rest of the ingredients for the prawns. Now it's time to make the avocado and then our lemon. So guys, I didn't like the look of that avocado, so thank God I have spare one, so I went ahead and I get my spare avocado, which looks much better than the first one. So what we're going to do, I have this measuring spoon, so I'll be using it to scoop it out, and this worked like magic. So I'll be adding the lemon juice. And be careful to take out any seed that gets inside of it. So guys, there are 2 ways to do this. You can either use a fork to mash it, or you can put it in a blender to blend it. As for me, I'm gonna go in with the blender. So after blending it guys, this is what it looks like. So this is exactly how I wanted it. Now it's time to slice our cucumber, and I've just cut the amount of 1 from the whole cucumber. That's my cucumber slice, and now it's time to plate it up. So guys, that's my quick and easy avocado bites with prawn. Hope you enjoyed this video as I enjoy making this recipe for you. And you know my famous saying, feel free to try any recipe you see on my channel. It doesn't cost you a thing to try anything more than buying your own ingredient. Thank you for watching this great video. See you again with another one. Bye bye.